Okay, so in the 10 sum, we have prepared the reconciliation statement, and now there may be a question arising asking to prepare a memorandum of reconciliation account. Memorandum of reconciliation account is nothing but what are we going to do is we are going to tally both the sides and making sure that we are going to have the same tally in both the sides. How we do a trial balance, the same way we are going to do here as well. Now, how this memorandum recognition, that is reconciliation account, goes as per. So what are we going to do is all the add items including the net profit. What is net profit? 2,08,045 and 2,08,045 and all the items which is addition items, all the added items we are going to write in the debtor side, and all the deducted items you are going to write in the credit side, including the net loss as per cost accounting, when we are going to write both the sides and making sure that both the sides we are going to have the same amount of tally. The main important of memorandum of reconciliation account which you're going to prepare is to make sure that both the sides is going to have a proper tally. This means a sum is right. If there is any kind of difference which is coming on, then this means that there is somewhere in some transaction a sum is gone wrong. So generally a memorandum is just updating the accounts and making sure that you're going to close the complete account by making a proper tally in both the sides. This is called as memorandum of reconciliation account. And when you see in the 11th sum also, 11th sum, directly they have asked us to prepare a memorandum of accounting. So it is not necessary that always you have to prepare a reconciliation statement and then prepare a memorandum. No, what can we do is we have to just write all the items which will go under addition column, which will go under the deletion column. All the items you can write in addition and deletion column. That is net profit as per cost accounting, which we have written. Now all the added items we are going to write here, all the deleted items you are going to, that is deducted item we are going to write here. Now whatever the balancing amount which you are going to get, that balancing amount is called as net profit as per financial account. As we have given only net profit as per cost account, that is 3,44,800, and we have done with the sum, that is we have added all the items in the reconciliation statement book. Now all the deleted items you are writing in the debit side. Now what is the situation here is we have to know what is the net profit as per financial accounting. So what are the, after calculating all this, now I will just like to show you this. 3,44,800 plus 3,400 plus 2,600 plus 16,000 plus 1,500 plus 950. I get 3,69,250. Now 6,240 plus 11,400 plus 8,600 plus 13,500. I get 1,17,740. Now minus 3,69,250. I get 2,57,510. This 2,57,510 is the net profit as per financial accounting. So if they ask you to only prepare net, that is memorandum of reconciliation account, you can directly prepare, and the balancing figure which you are going to do is, that is called as net profit as per financial accounting, or any other options whichever they are given in the question.